Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. You know, on this channel we do a lot about subscription boxes, talking about ways that you can have a monthly subscription and get great beauty products right to your door. And today we're going to talk about a brand new subscription that I'm really excited to share with you. So if you want to know all about the newest subscription on the box, newest subscription box on the market, I can't speak today. Make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into a brand new subscription box with me and talk about all of the details, stay tuned. Okay, so as you all know, I have been getting comments on my nails for years. I used to go every 2 weeks religiously to get my nails done, and it was costing a fortune. So during the pandemic, when we couldn't leave the house, my husband and I did start a press-on nail business where we do luxury hand-painted nails. It's called Paragon Press-On. I will link them down below, link us down below, whatever you want to call it. And recently, I got a couple DMs from people who were talking about, as content creators, I don't always film one video in a day. Sometimes I film 3, and sometimes you want to change your nails up, and press-ons are a great way to do that. And then I actually had a customer DM me saying, I wish I didn't have to think about it and I could just have nails delivered to my door every single month, no questions, no nothing. I'll give you my preferences and that's it. And we kind of ran with it. So I am happy to announce the Vault, the Paragon Press-On Vault, which is either 2 or 4 press-on nail sets delivered to your door every single month, nice and easy. So I'm going to go through the details and then we can talk designs because I'm really excited to share this with all of you. Now, all of the nails that I wear in every video are always going to be Paragon because that's what I wear. I come to my desk and I have sets just waiting in front of me because Brandon says, hey, I made these for you. So pop them on and let's see what you like. So the way the subscription is going to work is that you can either elect for 2 or 4 sets sent every single month. The 2 sets are $50. The 4 set is $80, which is still so much less than if you were to go to a salon and get your nails done. Even if it wasn't a financial thing, I don't think I'm comfortable anymore with having my hands getting touched and done by other people anymore. I am so germophobic as it is, and I don't know why it never bothered me before, but with the pandemic, I no longer want to sit for 2 hours in a salon getting my nails done when I can have them sent to my door. Now, these are hand-painted, gel-polished nails, the same exact quality you would get in the salon. The only difference is you glue them onto your own nails as opposed to having them painted directly on your nails. Now, the way the subscription works is once you sign up, you're going to get a little quiz where you get to go with what sizes and shapes you're interested in. There are 9 different shapes from short almond to long stiletto to medium coffins to long coffins to squares, squovels, the works. We have everything. So once you elect that, you'll get some sizing guides to help you figure out your sizes for these nails. And you can pick your colors and just say, I like pink, blue, red, yellow, and orange. I like chrome appliques. I like flowers. I like stones. And through that quiz, you give us all of your information, and every single month you're going to get nails made custom for you in your aesthetic. So something that I like is I love my nails to be in a short almond or a medium coffin, and the occasional stiletto. I don't like a square nail, which is why you'll never see me with a square nail. Within this guide, you're able to go in and say, I don't like XYZ, and then you'll never get it. The way that we design is we pull from our favorite designs, colors that are really hot right now, as well as some trending designs. I know a couple days ago, I posted a picture on Instagram of a set that I had on with a bunch of clouds on it. It's called Daydreaming. That is so hot right now. Everybody loves these cloud designs on nails. So that was one of the designs for the April month. This month, I'm really into florals. So I have this soft blue ombre. I don't know if you can see it super clearly on camera, but it is a soft white to powder blue ombre with these little floral appliques on 2 of the fingers on each nail. It's very simple, it's very elegant, but it's super cute, especially for spring. Now, within all of the designs, obviously, color preferences are taken into account. I love pink and black, and these have some animal print flowers, very Betsy Johnson, which is something I love. But you're able to say in your specifications what you don't like, so you won't get what you don't like. Something I've really enjoyed is how many stoned options we have. Bright, glittery crystals and these really high shine beads, which really just give a nice texture to the nail. I know a lot of people who don't like having anything on top of the nail. They prefer it to be like a painted design. You can set all of those specifications in your quiz when it comes out. And then you will get your nails almost immediately after, within a few days, once you get your sizing guides, it becomes super easy every month to just get it. And something else that is really, really helpful is if you have a design that you're in love with, and it's something that you think would be a really great trending design, you can absolutely submit them. Brandon monitors the Paragon Press on Instagram, and you can send in any designs that you're excited about and hopefully see them in an upcoming vault. Now, we love hearing from feedback within the community, hearing what designs people are really into, and that's a great way for us to make any changes and modifications upcoming. Now, within the designs, something I will say is our average set is a $40-ish retail. So like a base set in solid color with no accents is $30 a piece. So even at the $50 price point, you are automatically minimum value if you only got solid colors, not that you'll ever just get solid colors in the vault. It would be a retail value of $60. Now, every now and then there might be a solid color in there, but it will be accented by another set that is super elaborate, and that way we can kind of keep things exciting and interesting for everybody. One of my favorite sets was one of the most simple sets, which was just a nude tan with a red peekaboo underneath. I like a nice statement pop like that, and Brandon knows that. So whenever those designs are coming around, it's really easy to go simple because they just have such a strong reaction from me because they're so chic, but also so beautiful. Now, every set in the subscription does come with 10 nails. You'll see on the front here, this is just one hand in each. So it does have a second hand underneath so that you have your right and left hand separately. It is a really easy way to keep them separate because I have mixed up my nails before. I have a set right here on my desk in front of me, and it's super easy for me to knock into them. So I like to just reattach them to the case and keep them in here. Or Brandon and I actually have an acrylic set of drawers for all of my nails where I can keep them nice and organized and look at them because they are 100% reusable. I will wear these and put them on, and I usually keep them on for 3 videos, whether that's I filmed 2 videos today and 1 in a few days, or I filmed 1 a day for an entire week, and then I pull them off just by soaking them in warm water, and then I can just pop them right off. But once I do that, I just remove the extra glue, put it away, and they are ready to be put back on. I have also worn them for up to 2 weeks before, and I know a lot of people who have also worn their press-on nails for a lot longer. You will easily get 2 weeks out of these, and they are very durable, so you don't have to worry about them getting cracked or destroyed. Occasionally, I'll be honest, I have been known to have one pop off. I was filming a video earlier, and I hit my finger on the desk, and this finger popped right off, but I keep a little nail glue right in front of me, and I was able to put it right back on. Speaking of which, with every order, you will get everything you need to apply your nails: a buffer, alcohol wipe, a little mini file, a cuticle pusher, as well as a glue, and in the future, day tabs. So if you only want to put them on for a day, or like me, you film videos and you want to be able to take them right off, you can just pull the day tab right off and it won't damage your fingers or the nails. Not that the glue damages my fingers, but just in case that's something you were worried about. So I will link all of the information down below. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me or the Paragon Press on Instagram account. I will be honest, 9 times out of 10 on the Paragon account, you'll be talking to my husband, Brandon. But if you DM me, I will be happy to answer over on Instagram, just because that's the easiest way for me to connect with you. Happy to answer any of your questions, whether it comes to care, application. I'm going to link a couple videos up above of how I wear my press-on nails, how I care for them, because it is so much easier than going to a salon. So let me know your thoughts down below. I am so excited to share with you the Paragon Vault, and I would love to hear your feedback. As always, my comment section is open. Thank you again, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!